Stop. If you say one wrong sentence in an argument, you've already lost. Here's a 3-second trick that flips the entire conversation. You never listen. That's not true, you always exaggerate. And right here, both people lose. Because arguments aren't about facts, they're about feeling understood. The more you defend yourself, the more the other person attacks. The louder you get, the less they hear. So what if instead of defending, you did this? The 3-second trick is called label plus pause. Sounds like you feel ignored. You never listen. Instead of reacting, you calm sounds like you feel ignored. Pause, count visually. 1, 2, 3. This works because the moment someone feels understood, their brain literally calms down. You are not agreeing. You are not losing. You are showing, I get you. You are wrong. Argument escalates. I see why that upset you. Tension drops. You don't care about my time. Feels like you think I'm not respecting you. Yeah, exactly. Top negotiators, therapists, even FBI interrogators use this. They don't win by overpowering. They win by making the other person feel heard. And here's the twist. If you can't pause for 3 seconds, you are not in control of the argument. The argument is controlling you. So next time, before you react, pause. Because the person who controls the pause wins.